Hey everybody, welcome back. In this lesson we're going to be adding parts to a pipe network in Civil 3D. Let's get started. In this exercise you'll add to your pipe network by creating pipes and structures that connect to existing structures. Whenever you're laying out a pipe network, you have the option of connecting to existing pipe network parts. Autodesk Civil 3D gives you visual cues when the pipe or structure you're creating will either connect to an existing object or break a pipe to create a junction. In the previous exercise, you used the Draw Pipes and Structures tool to place structures and pipes simultaneously. In this exercise, you'll add catch basins using the Draw Structures Only tool, and then connect the catch basins to network using the Draw Pipes Only tool. This exercise continues from creating a pipe network by layout. Note that this exercise uses the Pipe Networks-B drawing with the modifications you made in the previous exercise. Or you can open the Pipe Networks-C drawing in your tutorials folder. So let's go about adding structures to the pipe network. In the drawing, go ahead and select a pipe network part. I'm going to select this pipe right here, and then right-click and select Edit Network. Now we have our Network Layout Tools toolbar. Let's take a look at our structures. Make sure you have the eccentric cylindrical structure expanded and the 48 selected. Toggle the upslope downslope button and make sure we're on downslope, which we are currently in. Now click Structures Only. In the command line, enter in 'SO for station offset. Then click one of the labels for our alignment. Now create a structure by entering 960 and then 15 as the offset. You'll see that we now have a structure here. We're going to repeat the last step and add some additional structures. Each of these structures will be offset 15 feet from stations 1110, 1260, and 1310. Now press Enter twice to exit the station offset and add structure commands. Now let's add some pipes to the pipe network. In our pipes list, make sure we're on the right one by selecting the 18-inch concrete, and then in the toolbar, select Pipes Only. Now place your cursor at the structure that's currently at the 960 station. A connection marker that indicates that the pipe can be attached to the structure is displayed. With the connection marker displayed, click the structure to connect the new pipe to it. Now place your cursor over the structure at 950. With the connection marker displayed, click the structure to connect the new pipe to it. On the command line, type in S to start new point. Now repeat the last few steps to add pipes between the structures that are offset 15 feet from stations 1110, 1260, and 1310 to the main network. So we're going to go ahead and do that. S for start new point. Select our structure, connect to the main line, and there you have it. So that's how you go about adding parts to a pipe network in Civil 3D. If you'd like to learn more about Civil 3D workflow tips and tricks, visit AutoCAD Civil3D Training.com and be sure to sign up for future video notifications or click subscribe on our YouTube channel. Again, my name is Charles Ellison. Take care.